Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos, and today I'm going to show you how to add two different numbers using Excel. So as you can see, I have three different columns. Column 1, which has a 5, column 2, which has a 3, and column 3, which has sum and no answer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a formula that will give me the answer to what 5 plus 3 is. I could easily say that 5 plus 3 is 8, right? But I am trying to show you the basic principle of plugging in formulas. Because when you have big numbers that your mind cannot calculate, you're going to need a formula to fall back on. And I'm going to show you how to plug in that formula. So the first step is to select the cell where you want the answer to appear, and I want that answer to appear right under sum. After doing that, I am going to add an equal sign. And the reason why I add that equal sign is because it tells Excel that I am about to type in a formula. After that, I am going to select the cell that I want to be part of the formula, which is this, 5. As you can see, 5 did not show up here, it's A2. And it says that because the number 5 is in the cell A2, and Excel operates with cells, not individual numbers. After that, I want to add a plus sign and to say that I want whatever is in cell A2 to add to another cell, which is cell B2. And in cell B2 is 3. So I'm going to select that cell. And you see B2 show up right here. This is our formula. Equal A2 plus B2. When you see it, you click enter. And voila! 8 appears. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now here's the catch. If I decide I don't want to add 3 to 5 anymore, I want to add 4. I don't need to change the formula because it's already put in place. I just want to change whatever is in the cell that I don't want anymore. So I'm going to change 3 to 4 and see what happens. The formula adjusts to what I just did. So instead of adding 5 to 3, it adds 5 to 4. And as I told you, Excel does not care about the number, it just cares about the cell. So it adds whatever is in A2 to whatever is in B2. And right now 4 is in B2. And 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And that is how you add using Excel.